Today is my day off, which is why I'm wearing such a cool outfit. And it's also the day that I finished a project. And what I love to do at the end of a project is I love to go through all of my tools and make sure that they're organized well and kind of do an inventory of the supplies that I have. And because I don't have a workshop, which is why you can hear all the sounds of my neighbors, because I usually work out on my patio, I have to have everything be mobile and ready to go. And so I have used this great system by Rigid, which is fantastic. It all stacks and it all wheels, and you can take it anywhere you go or any project you're working on. I also like to be creative in the ways that I organize. So here is what's supposed to, I got this at a craft store. It's supposed to be a photo organizer, but instead it organizes all my screws and my nails and it keeps everything. And then when I'm working on a project, I just take the kind of screw or nail or whatever I might need to the site, and I can just put it in one of my portable boxes and take it with me. Everything locks up down in my little carport area, and this is how we do when we live in Southern California and we don't have a workshop. If anyone would like to give me a workshop or an Airstream in which I could work, that would be fantastic. So I'm going to spend today organizing this, and then I'll show you a little bit, I think, when I'm done.
The first box is my small power tools, and it's the box that actually has wheels on it. I like to make sure that all the sandpaper is organized and that everything is in there in order. It's also the box that has the heaviest tools in it. Box number 2 is my hand tools, my workwear, my cleaning supplies. You'll notice that I've got this incredible tool wrap that I love and my apron that I also love. So I keep all of my little handy dandy tools that you kind of just use for anything, all kinds of weird things in there. And then of course, my favorite apron that keeps my clothes from getting all the paint. And finally, we come to box number 3 that I absolutely adore, which is my orbital sander, which I use for so many things. I like to organize all my sandpaper based on grit. And you may not know this, but grit is actually the smaller the number, the larger the grit. Kind of like back in the day when all of my guy friends had their ears pierced with gauges. The smaller the number, the larger the gauge. So same thing here. I want to keep all of those in order so that I know what I need more of. And also, I can't believe I actually have a wide assortment of them, to the point that I actually have sandpaper that's 10,000 grit. So that's it. That's how I organize all of my tools. And at the end of a project, I make sure that I am restocked, reorganized, and I'm ready for my next adventure. And wherever that will take me, whether that's to someone's home or community space or another church, I'm grateful that you join me in this journey, and I can't wait to see what's next.